going on, you guys? Josh, creator of Drift Dummies here. I just want to introduce myself. Just want to say what's up, say what we're about. We like to go to events. We like drifting. We're dummies. That's about it. Alright, see you on the next one. Just kidding. No, for real though, I've got a few people asking me, how'd you come up with Drift Dummies? I've always loved drifting. I've always been about drifting. We've never had anywhere to drift where we're from. So we moved up here to Colorado. Drift Colorado puts on amazing events. Tried to get the homies in, said, hey, let's get some drift cars. Let's go drift. Like, that's what I want to do in life. No one wanted. I was like, they're like, no, we don't know what we're doing. I'm like, I don't care if we don't know what we're doing. We'll be out there drifting. We're just going to be dummies drifting. We'll be the Drift Dummies. Then I put the Crash Test Dummy logo, which also looks like the BMW logo, which is cool because got an E30, E36. Homie's got an E90. So, but my main drift car is the Z31. But yeah, so that's what it's all about. Basically all we do is we go to events and we try to drift. Probably don't look good, look cool, but got a cool car. I get a lot of video content out there, so I try to shoot photos. I'm not the best at photos, but I just want this sport to grow. I love drifting. Drift Colorado's done an amazing job of making it grow. After I was auto sports with Drift Colorado, put on a Pro-Am event, and I'm pretty stoked to just be a part of what's going on over here. So anything we can do to help it grow even more, that's what we're here for. I've also had a couple people ask me about build videos. So now we're gonna start making sure that everything we do on the drift car, making videos. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. If you do like it, cool. If there's anything you think of that would make it better, let me know. If you like our merch, driftdummies.com right there. All right. See you on the next one.